there is no tariff or there is a low tariff, so there will be the win-win situation, efficient production process, and it will increase the global demand and will bring the more employment opportunities. So when the more employment opportunity, more business, it means the more purchasing power of both of the people, and ultimately welfare will be the increase. One thing is the employment, other thing is the inflation. So if US is imposing the tariff on the Chinese good, it means the Chinese USA citizens are buying the expensive goods because the tariff raised the price level. So when the people will consume or buy the expensive goods, it means their real purchasing power will go down. So abolishing of the tariff or lowering the tariff barriers will increase the purchasing power of the USA and will increase their demand, will increase their welfare. So both the country will have the win-win situation. And it is a good for the multilateral system. So it will streamline the global value chain. It will restore the supply chain and streamline the supply chain and promote the mutual cooperation.